Hello everyone, May 17, 2021. I'm actually posted two other videos, so this is going to be the last video. I think this one is going to be a little shorter. So it's in regards to stocks under $5, penny stocks, over-the-counter stocks, stocks with market caps under $200 million. So naturally, when a stock is cheaper, we assume, well, we don't assume, we know that we have more leverage. When I say have more leverage, it's a lot easier to buy a stock that's 1 than a stock that's 10. It's easier to make a lot of money on a small amount of money. So naturally, a lot of people with smaller capital look to stocks that are $1, $2, $5 are OTC stocks. So I mean, even at times, even before I was on Reddit, I still traded some of these stocks, but not too often. So OTC is over the counter. So I don't really trade too many over the counter stocks. Maybe FNMA, Fannie Mae, and Nintendo. Nintendo was years ago, NTDOY, that's Nintendo. And Fannie Mae, I did trade months ago. Those are the only over-the-counter stocks. So the reason I don't trade over-the-counter stocks is over-the-counter stocks are not that regulated. So they might not have to come out with an 8K. They might not have to come out with a 10Q, a 10K. Earnings reports might not have to be there. The balance sheets might not be audited. And that doesn't mean that you can't make money on these plays. I'm just saying the risk is higher. So when you have a lot of other plays, other tickers that are solid, that are good, it might not make sense with OTC. Okay, regarding stocks that are penny stocks, like I haven't really traded any recently because unfortunately, just to be honest with you, it's pretty much speculation and momentum. So once again, that doesn't mean that you can't make money on them. It means that you're making the money mainly on speculation. Now, there could be some good penny stocks that turn into dollars, but me personally, I'd rather pay more money when the company has proven and deserves to get a higher valuation. I have no problem paying higher valuation when the coast is clear. People that are part of my elite group know that. Now, in terms of stocks that are under $200 million, I try not to play with those stocks because what happens is when a stock is $100 million or $150 million, it's easy for an entity or an owner or someone that's a multimillionaire to basically have the market, meaning that someone with a ton of money, a group of 5 people with a ton of money can go in and buy the stock. Now, when they go in and buy the stock at the same time, it looks as though the stock is really taking off, and it's not. It's not. Since the whole company is not valued at that much, even though $200 million might seem like a lot, but it doesn't trade the $200 million. So the entire company might be worth $200 million, but in a day, $1 million is traded of the stock. Just $1 million. I mean, we've been trading something called HMPT, a mortgage company that's worth $800 million and is worth way more. But that's something else. But I'm saying that stock is $6 stock right now, $6.30 or something like that, and trades like 100,000. So that's 600,000. So you don't want to trade a stock because a few people with money can go in, buy that stock of that company that's valued at less than 200 million, and it's going to give an image and make people on level 2s and make everyone else think that the stock is going up and they're not sure what's going on. So I just did a video about speculation momentum. If you want to buy those companies that are under $200 million on momentum, go ahead, but do it and try to trade in and out. You know, make your 25 cents a share or get 50 cents a share and get out. Like I definitely don't say diamond hands that. Definitely don't say diamond hands that. And in regards to stocks under $5, I do play a lot of tickers that are under $5 now, because with the Reddit, now I have an elite trading group, and I have a lot of requests of people that want stocks under $5. So on my plays list, I have, so the plays lists, a lot of people on YouTube might not know, my plays lists are of the tickers that I'm ready to trade immediately, right away, today, right now. So in total, with all my watch lists, I probably have close to 1,000 tickers. But on my plays list, meaning that they're ready to trade right now, is probably closer to 95 to 100 as of now. I did remove some this morning, but 95 to 100. So now I have more tickers that are $5 or close to 5 than ever. So a lot of times these stocks, unfortunately, are speculative, meaning they have some sales but not a lot of sales, and they basically break even. Now, I don't recommend always buying these stocks that are under $5. The ones that I trade, or I tell the elite trading group, are the ones that I feel are the best in that range. If I wasn't watching them all day on my plays list, I probably wouldn't trade them all. I might trade a couple, but I might not trade them all. But if I'm staring at it all day, I'm going to trade it because I'm looking at the pattern, and this is what I do. I've been trading since I was a little kid. So this is what I'm going to do. I mean, I can't blame it on the trading group, but basically I'm one of those people, like if you put a spaghetti on the table, I'm not hungry and I don't like the spaghetti, but I keep looking at the spaghetti for hours, I am just going to eat that spaghetti. So the same thing with the tickers. Okay, I'm a trader. I am a born trader. So if I look at the same ticker and it's $3 and it dropped to $2.60, I am probably going to buy it because it's just sitting in front of me. I have free cash. I know that I can make money on it, so I'm probably going to trade it. So I mean, I can't blame anyone, but I have a lot of these tickers, and a lot of times they're cheap for a reason. These companies a lot of times are not proven. They don't have a whole lot of sales yet. They don't make a lot of money because a lot of times companies don't want to be under $10, because when you're under $10 or under $5, like to the rest of the world, oh, you can't be a good company, because too many people don't really know the market. They don't understand market cap. They assume that a stock like BKNG Booking that's trading at $2,300 is too expensive. No, Booking is a bargain. Airbnb is expensive. Okay, Airbnb does not have sales like Booking. Airbnb does not make any money. They lose massive money. So even though Airbnb is $130 and Booking is $2,300, Booking is a bargain. They make money. Airbnb does not make any money and will not make money for some time. So, but what happens is when they see this stock, they see this stock, this company must be doing great. This company must be doing bad. So with that image, most companies don't want to be under $5 or $10. So what I'm trying to say is a lot of times those stocks are there at a price because they're not proven yet. So just be careful of OTC stocks, stocks under $200 million, and stocks under $5. Now that doesn't mean that you can't buy a stock under $5 that's good, or an OTC that's good. Just be careful. Just try to make sure that you're buying the right one, because I'm sure there's tons of them, and there are tons of them that are garbage and belong in the garbage, not your portfolio. Okay, so this is Nathan, Ultimate Traders and Reddit. Have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.